Hello students, welcome to class 7th maths on my YouTube channel. Now let us begin practice at 54 on textbook page number 96. First one, the daily rainfall for each day of a week in a certain city is given in millimeters. Find the average rainfall during the week. Total there are given numbers is 7. Okay, average means first you have to add all these given 7 numbers and then you have to divide by 7. Okay, average formula will be the sum of all scores in the given data upon total number of scores, that is equal to all these given numbers you have to write in addition form. 9 plus 11 plus 8 plus 20 plus 10 plus 16 plus 12 upon 7. Total there are 7 numbers, so that's why you have to divide by 7. First you have to add these given numbers. I have added here, look here. 9 plus 11 plus 8 plus 20 plus 10 plus 16 plus 12. I am getting answer 86 after adding. And then you have to divide by 86 by 7. Okay, so I am getting answer 12.285. you can divide up to 3 decimal place. If the remainder is not getting 0, after decimal point you can divide up to 3 decimal place. So I have stopped till 3 decimal place, that is I am getting 12.285. that means the answer is, when you divide 86 by 7, answer is getting 12.29 millimeter. Therefore the average rainfall during the week is 12.29 millimeter. I will tell you how. If you got the answer 12.285, after dividing you got this answer 12.285, which is this quotient. Now if you have unit place 5 or more than 5, before one digit it become plus 1. Okay, so here it become 8 plus 1 9, and then so that's why it is answer is coming 12.29 millimeter. Okay, and then final answer you have to write. Therefore the average rainfall during the week is 12.29 millimeter. Next, during the annual function of a school, a women's self-help group had set up a snacks stall. Their sales every hour were worth rupees 960, rupees 830, rupees 945, rupees 800, rupees 847, rupees 970 respectively. What was the average of the hourly sales? Now altogether how many numbers are there here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here there are 6 numbers given. Okay, you have to add this given 6 numbers and you have to divide by 6. How many numbers are given here? That much number you have to count and you have to divide how much is given. Your average formula is the sum of all scores in the given data upon total number of scores. Now add these given numbers. 960 plus 830 plus 945 plus 800 plus 847 plus 970. So total 6 numbers is there in question. So that's why you have to divide by 6. After adding this all 6 numbers, I am getting 5352 over here. I have added 5352 upon 6. I have divided here. Quotient is coming 892 over here. Okay. Therefore, the average of the hourly sales was rupees 892 per hour. Question what is given, that will be the unit. If rupees is given all these numbers, so answer also will be rupees per hour. Next, the annual rainfall in Vidarbha in 5 years is given below. What is the average rainfall for those 5 years? 900 millimeter, 650 millimeter, 450 millimeter, 733 millimeter and 400 millimeters. Totally how many numbers are there in millimeters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total there are 5 numbers in millimeters. First you have to add all these given 5 numbers and then you have to divide by 5. Average formula will be same. Average is equal to the sum of all scores in the given data upon total number of scores. Now add these given 5 numbers. Answer I am getting 3133. Okay. And then you have to divide 3133 by 5 after adding this given 5 numbers. Quotient I am getting 626.6. If remainder is not getting 0, I have taken decimal point. Then after decimal point I have taken 0, one more 0. Then after taking 1 0, that 0 I brought it down and that number is going. And remainder I am getting 0. Okay. So the answer is 626.6 millimeter. Therefore, the average rainfall is 626.6 millimeter. Now last sum. A farmer bought some sacks of animal feed. The weights of the sacks are given below in kilograms. What is the average weight of the sacks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total there are 8 numbers. Okay, you have to find the average weight of the sacks. Average is equal to the sum of all scores in the given data upon total number of scores. Now add all these given 8 numbers and then you have to divide by 8. $49.8 plus 49.7 plus 49.5 plus 49.3 plus 50 means, if you don't have any decimal point, 50.0 you have to take. If 2 digits are there without decimal point, plus 48.9 plus 49.2 plus 48.8 upon 8. Total there are 8 numbers, so you have to divide by 8. Now add all these given 8 numbers. So I am getting answer 395.2 over here. Okay. Students, one thing you have to remember. This is unit place and this is tens place. After decimal point, counting is different. This is 1 upon 10 place after decimal point. (395.2) divided by 8. I am getting quotient 49.4. Okay. Students, you should know the table from 2 to 10 compulsory. If you know the table 2 to 10 by heart, then you will know 11 to 20 also table. And division also is very simple to do if you know the table. Final answer is 49.4 kg. Therefore, the average weight of the sacks is 49.4 kg. If you like this video, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.